Alright, today we're going to bring a ceiling fan, and this ceiling fan is a flush ceiling fan with its own cover. It does not have LED light in the bottom, but it does have a remote control to control the speeds of it, including the battery with it. If you guys can see, it has 1 all the way through 6 on speeds, reverse. You can set up hours, 1 hour to all the way to 8 hours. And it has a module, control module. Now, it does have the fans in here. They're well protected, well sealed. We're gonna set this up. First, you gotta set the mount up, right? And this is very important because the mount also ties in with this bracket here. See these four brackets? They tie up with these 4 screws, all right? So make sure that you set this up first and then add this at the end. All right, so right now we're gonna go ahead and mount the actual bracket that's holding the entire fan box. This is gonna be the hardest part right here. There we go. Perfect base. We're gonna cap it up in a bit as soon as we set up the fans. Okay. Got that one. Alright, so right now we're setting up for the first time. We're running it right now. Look at this guy. This guy's running quick. So we're gonna put it, that's number 1 right now. I'm not even putting the fast propeller. And then let me stop it right now. Great fan. We're gonna go ahead and test out the speeds right now. So you got their controller here. You got 1 all the way to 6, reverse, hourly, 1, 2, 4, and 8, and then different modes, all right? Different modes is like wavy format. So right now we're gonna do number 1, right? Number 1 goes. Now, if the fan's unbalanced, they give you balancing areas so you can balance the fan. And we're gonna put number 1 right now so you guys can see it, how fast it's moving, all right? And that's just number 1. I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna let you hear how fast this fan is spinning. This number 1. We're gonna go all the way to 6. Perfect for the summers, perfect for outdoors, indoors. It's not waterproof, but you still could put it underneath the shelter. A lot of sunrooms have this. This is perfect for any season. So, hope you guys enjoy the video.